What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you. I'm pretty excited about this one. It is a 12-inch front-firing subwoofer. It's the SVS SB-1000. That box right over there. Now, I'm excited about it because a lot of you have asked me my thoughts. What's the best subwoofer under $500? Which is better, SB-1000 or PB-1000? Well, I'm going to be able to tell you that once I actually get that thing out of the box. Why? Because I'm going to do a review on the SB-1000, but I'm also going to do a comparison between the SB-1000 and the PB-1000 because I own a PB-1000. So I'm going to do that comparison, but before I can get to that comparison and review, I've got to unbox it. So let's get to it. So here it is, the SB-1000 from SVS. SB stands for sealed box. This is a sealed subwoofer, not a ported subwoofer. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, SVS is a speaker and subwoofer manufacturer or brand right here in the US. They make floor standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, center channels, and many others. But they also have a wide range of subwoofers. They really made their name with their subwoofers. They have the small line or smaller line, the 1000 series, and it basically goes up from there. Now, it is Labor Day weekend here in the US, and if you have always wanted to buy some SVS gear, use those links in the description below so you can get some great deals. But let's talk about this box. As you can see here, the box itself is in good shape and it has SVS branding all the way around it. It's about 19 inches tall, 19 inches wide, and a little bit less than 19 inches deep. So it's not super big, but again, it does have the branding all the way around it so people will know that you have a speaker and, more importantly, a subwoofer on your porch. So you will need to pick this up when it's delivered. But the good news is it only weighs about, 35 pounds or so, a little bit less than 35 pounds. So you're able to carry it up the stairs, down the stairs, as long as you can carry that kind of weight. I got it up to my room without any assistance. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so first things first, SVS actually places some shipping instructions right here on the top of the box. They tell you to flip the box over and open it from the bottom, so that's what I'm going to do. A box within a box, and what they say is to, I guess I have to cut this box open, and then I'll flip it on the bottom and lift the whole all the boxes up. Power cable, quick start guide, and registration. The SB-1000 is a 12-inch front-firing subwoofer. It has a frequency response from 24 Hz to 260 Hz. It has a Sledge STA300D amplifier which outputs 300 watts of continuous power and 720 watts of peak power. It is 13.5 inches tall, 13 inches wide, and 14 inches deep without the grill. It weighs 27 pounds. It comes in 3 surface finishes, including black ash, piano gloss black, and piano gloss white. The black ash costs $499, while the piano versions cost an additional $100 at $599. So now let's talk first impressions. First and foremost, this thing is gorgeous. SVS sent it to me in this piano gloss black surface finish, and oh, it's so silky smooth, and it looks so good. It does cost extra, but it looks good. So, you know, you got to deal with that. The other thing I thought was this is smaller than I thought it was going to be. Right here is the PB-1000, the ported version of this one, right? This is a 10-inch driver, this is a 12-inch driver, but you can basically see how much bigger a ported version is, and I'll do a comparison, so we'll talk about that. But this is definitely smaller, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. I know a lot of people want smaller subwoofers, and they can get multiple of them and kind of do more things, so that's not a bad thing. But anyways, up front, you have the grill right here, and that SVS logo is down there at the bottom. To pull the grill off, you just give it a little tug, and it's held in with some pins in a pin and cup design, and it is a cloth grill, and it's nice and sturdy. Now that the grill is off, you can see that beautiful 12-inch driver up front with the SVS logo all the way in the surround, and there is the SVS logo on the dust cap or dust cover there in the center, along with a LED indicator to let you know that the subwoofer is on once you plug it in and it turns on. Moving on to the back, you can see you've got all your controls here with the amplifier, including volume, phase adjustment, and there is a crossover adjustment back here. Under that is a switch, so you can keep it on or you can put it in standby mode. There are line level speaker inputs and a line level speaker output, along with speaker level inputs right here. And then there's the main power switch here and the power connection there. Okay, so I will be doing a full review on the SB-1000. Expect to see that in a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. I need to spend about 50 hours breaking it in before I start my critical listening. But I also will be comparing the SB-1000 to the PB-1000 in an upcoming video, and again, that'll follow the review at some point. But I'm looking forward to doing that comparison, but really I'm just looking forward to breaking this in and seeing how it sounds. If you want to purchase the SB-1000, the PB-1000, or anything else from SVS, use those links in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.